Understanding Decimal Fractions, a simple guide. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of mathematics in the English language, focusing on a concept that's fundamental yet often misunderstood: decimal fractions. Whether you're dealing with finances, measurements, or just everyday calculations, understanding decimal fractions is crucial. So let's break it down together. A decimal fraction is a fraction where the denominator, the bottom part of the fraction, is a power of 10, like 10, 100, 1000, and so on. These fractions are written not with a slash but with a decimal point. For example, 0.5, 0.75, and 0.125 are all decimal fractions. They represent the fractions 1/2, 3/4, and 1/8, respectively. The main thing to remember here is that every position after the decimal point represents a power of 10. The first position is tenths, the second is hundredths, the third is thousandths, and it goes on. Reading decimal fractions in English is quite straightforward. Let's break it down. 1. Read the whole number part as you normally would. 2. Say point for the decimal point. 3. Read the digits after the point individually. For example, 2.34 is read as 2.34, not 2.34. Sometimes, you might need to convert decimal fractions to regular fractions, or vice versa. Here's a simple way to do it. To convert a decimal fraction to a regular fraction, write down the number after the decimal point as the numerator, top number, and use a power of 10 as the denominator, bottom number. For instance, 0.25 becomes 25/100ths. Then, reduce the fraction if possible. In this case, 25/100ths simplifies to 1/4. To convert a regular fraction to a decimal fraction, divide the numerator by the denominator. For example, 1/4 is 0.25 when divided. And that's a wrap on decimal fractions. They might seem intimidating at first, but once you understand how they work, they're actually quite simple and logical. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try converting and reading decimal fractions in your day-to-day life. If this video helped clarify decimal fractions for you, that's fantastic. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!